Welcome to MMW Tech Channel. From tomorrow I have started new tutorials for beginners for Photoshop. In this video I will talk about how to change color of an object. So let's get started. Before that, take 10 seconds and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me on comment section on which topic do you want me to make video. First of all, select the area of which you have to change color by quick selection tool. Make sure your selection is perfect so that your image would look more realistic at end. After selecting, you have to click on Adjustment and then click on Hue Saturation. You will see color bars on right side. Don't get confused. I will explain it. So the first bar is hue. Basically, hue means which color do you want. Second bar is saturation. It's the amount of color you want it. And the third one is lightness. It's basically how much tightness you want in your color. Before we start the video, take a look on this chart. Now the first most important thing is you have to check the box. Select what color you want in this. I will select a color which is close to royal blue. Now select the amount of color you want. Let's try on pants also. The more perfect the selection you make, the more realistic your image will look. Thank for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button and share it with your friends.